Hi guys, welcome back to my blog and Architect Studio, and today we're going to explore the new tambayan here at Uptown Cagayan de Oro City, King's Food and Music's Expo at Pueblo Business Park, Cagayan de Oro City. Higala, tara, let's check out the newest food court in Uptown Cagayan de Oro City.
Wow! Amoy pa lang! Matalap na!
Are you still looking for a place this coming February 14, Valentine's Day? Try this new food park at Uptown Cagayan de Oro City. This is a food establishment that caters various delicacies all around the world, so many food to choose and satisfy your food cravings. They have a variety of Japanese, Arabic, Indian, Korean, Filipino, and Chinese food that you surely love and enjoy with your family and friends. Bedroom boys naman lang Sir Robert.
Di na maging yung isa na. Di na maging eye contact. Ayaw lang iba yung business.
One of the food stall that we tried was Ling Kitchen. They serve a delicious ramen with dumpling stuffing.
How was the gasto, sir?
Okay lang.
Thank you so much, sir, for the sponsor.
Welcome. This new food park in Uptown Cagayan de Oro has a two-level and very spacious open air and wide view of Pueblo Business Park if you're at the second level.
Ito ka na. Mag-inom lang. Saan na yung pagkaon?
Ako isa ko lang. Kaya low burn. Nagdungan na ako sa tuna pa nga.
Ha? Pinapa?
Tuna pa nga ba?
Mera. Sawas ulo.
Salamat guys sa mga gasto.
Paningin lagi.
Okay na sa mga welcome.
Thank you, Sir Jeff. So ulitin. Wala, perfect. Ayaw ko malang. Go.
Ba, sakto na good. Pero hindi man.
Wala ko na.
Wala ka na. Ano ba?
Ma'am.
Alam na. Ha?
Nag-play ko niyo.
Lisod sad. Kabalo na biya siya mga inanaman. Sige, nagawin biya.
May na-sponsor.
Ay, tinidor?
Wala, sir. Pwede naman mag-request.
Ako na, hindi ko kabalo.
Ako din. Ako di ito di ay.
Luya na ako ano.
Ako di dapat to. Sige ka.
Thank you.
Sige, kamo lang sa mga.
Murag hinay ka mo ka.
Saturday.
Japanese man.
Ito din eh. Japanese.
Ang original na ramen kay Japanese man.
I love it. I love it.
Ito yung extra chili. Kapon si Kuya Waban.
Oh, magkaon mi. Surrender food.
Sa outing. Bibili ng ulo na.
Yeah, pasabot.
Located at Biacan Avenue Street, Pueblo de Oro Township, SM Uptown, Cagayan de Oro City, at the back of SM Corp Park Building.
Wala ko pa ba? Balungan ba niya naman?
Agad tumawag ka niyo?
Hindi, hindi isa. Oo, di pa pamanang mo ko na sa so, wala this is mamahaw ako rin ko niya.
Wala, di na talas na ubay. Ay, dito yan. Hi guys, please subscribe to